Many pregnant women get nausea and vomiting, which is also known as morning sickness, during the first trimester. But some women have it throughout pregnancy. And though it's called morning sickness, it can strike at any time of the day. It usually starts around the 6th week of pregnancy, is at its worst around week 9. For most women, it stops between weeks 16 to 18. While definitely unpleasant, nausea and vomiting are just a part of a normal, healthy pregnancy. Research suggests that the main culprit is HCG that is produced in the mother's body to maintain the pregnancy. Its production begins shortly after her fertilized egg attaches itself to the uterine lining. A pregnant woman is more likely to get nausea and vomiting in these 3 conditions. 1. If she has a tendency for migraines, strong dislike of certain smells or tastes, or has had exposure to estrogen in the form of birth control pills before the pregnancy. 2. If she has had nausea and vomiting during a previous pregnancy. And 3. If she's pregnant with twins or more. Nausea and vomiting during pregnancy are triggered by certain smells, spicy food, heat, excess salivation, or sometimes it just happens like that without any trigger. Here are some tips to alleviate the condition. Often drinks had at room temperature make pregnant women gag. So it's soothing to have a cup of chilled milk or cold water on an empty stomach. Towards early evening, before hunger pangs strike, have a snack of murmura or puffed rice. It settles the stomach nicely. It fills the tummy and it's not spicy. It's a good idea to stop using perfume sprays and deodorants to ease the nausea. It really helps to spend more time in naturally ventilated areas. Opening the doors and windows and trying to breathe fresh air is highly recommended. When feeling nauseous, one could take a walk in an open space like a garden or a park. Another thing that helps is keeping a gap of no more than 3 hours between meals. Doctors recommend that pregnant women make it a 6-meal day by having frequent, light meals than the regular 3 meals they used to have. It is also helpful to lie down, close one's eyes, and take a few deep breaths while listening to calming music. Just getting some rest and sleep helps reduce the nausea. Ginger is a great stomach soother, and studies have shown that it works wonders on the queasy stomach. It is recommended that the pregnant woman keep some ginger candy handy in her handbag. Emotional stress can irritate the digestive tract. So it's not surprising that morning sickness tends to worsen when women are especially stressed. As a daily routine, if they could listen to soothing music and meditate, they will note the benefits. If the nausea or vomiting gets severe, a visit to the doctors is needed. What are the 3 signs that indicate that? 1. If the pregnant woman is passing only a small amount of urine and it is dark in color, it is a sign of dehydration. 2. If she cannot keep down even water, it certainly indicates that medical help, even IV fluids, could be needed. 3. If she's feeling dizzy or faint when she stands up and can feel her heart racing and pounding, there are several tips and recipes available on the iMumz app to help the pregnant woman get past the first trimester's nausea and vomiting. Join the iMumz family for a happy and healthy pregnancy.